Hello! In this video I will show you how to insert SD card and SIM card into onetouch 4042S. So you have to start by removing the back cover of your device. And now you have to remove the battery. And here you have your SD card slot. And that's how you put in your SD card. And you can also put in your two SIM cards. I will put just one, but you do it like this. And now you can put back your battery and your back cover. And you can power on your device by long pressing the hang up button. And that's how you insert your SIM card. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.